Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox for February. Here's the card, and the inside it says follow your heart, and it lists the products on the back. Ooh, let's see what these are. I can tell the box was really heavy this month. This is Beauty and Planet, and it is a shampoo and conditioner. It's argan oil and lavender. It says smooth and serene. See what it smells like. Oh yeah, you can definitely smell lavender. It's pretty strong scent of lavender, which I love. So I'm very excited for that. I love hair samples. Then next up, from Benefit, Badgal Bang. This is Bigger, Badder, Volumizing Mascara. I don't think I've tried this one. I'm not sure if it's new, but Benefit does make some really awesome mascara, so I'm very excited for that. See what the wand looks like. All right, cool. So far, so good. Next, Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. This is actually perfect timing. Just ran out of the one I was using. So we have that. It says 99% natural. And I think this is our bonus sample. Yeah, this is a bonus. We have a day and night cleanser. Day one, night one, and then it has a little information about that company. Very cool. And then the last item is from Smashbox, Always On Gel Eyeliner. And the color Fishnet, which is a really nice black color. Wow, I'm actually really impressed with this box. We got Benefit, Smashbox, some really pretty big size hair samples, so very cool. And this is only $10 a month in case you're not familiar with Birchbox. And if you want to sign up, I will put a link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.